Hola amigos del Rincón de Bollywood, soy Mónica Loza, una de las administradoras del Rincón. Estamos aquí el día de hoy con un invitado muy especial que ha llegado desde la India. Él es coreógrafo, bailarín de música Bollywood y de danzas clásicas de la India. Él es Divesh Mirchandani. Hi Divesh,
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How do you feel now that you are in Peru?
I feel great because the weather is amazing and I saw some parts of Lima and I just thought it reminded me back of India. So I don't think there's much difference between Peru and India. And I saw rickshaws here. So again, it's not different because we also have rickshaw.
Yeah, sure. And tell us more about your experience as a dancer.
Actually, I started dancing when I was very young, but professionally I started when I was 15. And I was encouraged by my parents to do dancing. I started working with a very famous choreographer in India called Terence Lewis. So I started learning Western dance forms and then I found Kathak, Indian classical form, folk forms. And that's how I used my Indian classical and folk into Bollywood. And that's how my journey started as a dancer, as a choreographer. And then I started my own YouTube channel and that's how I became very famous. So I started promoting Indian classical and folk and mixed with Bollywood. So people all around the world saw my video and they found me, and that's how I'm traveling the world with workshops.
Wow, how was your first experience traveling abroad with that kind of job?
My first international workshop was in Cali, which is in Colombia. So again, it was in Latin America. So that was my first international workshop. And then China found me, and then Taiwan and Hong Kong. And now again, I'm back to Latin. Last year I was in Chile. So now I'm in Peru. So I think Latin Americans and Chinese and Europeans, I think they love Bollywood. So
Yeah, sure. There are many young people also that who love to dance Bollywood, especially Bollywood dance. So what kind of words do you have for them that they are initiating this dance?
it's great because I think Bollywood is becoming famous globally. I mean, it was, but now with more celebrities like Deepika and Priyanka Chopra who have come into Hollywood, Bollywood has become more famous, and therefore Bollywood dance has become famous, and therefore we choreographers get more chance to go to different places. So it's really great to see how people appreciate Bollywood music and the dance. It's great for us because, as I said, it's opening doors for a lot of choreographers.
Oh, that's great. Is it easier to be a dancer, a professional dancer in India than in other countries?
No, it's difficult to be a professional dancer because when I started dancing 16 years back, people looked down upon me and they were like, "Oh, you're a dancer." And even my parents at one point they told me you should just not continue because this is no profession. Dancing is no profession. They feel it's just a hobby. But now people understand. But still, it's not easy for boys to be dancers in India, to be choreographers because it's not good money. But then if you want to be very famous and if you want to make good money, if you want to travel the world like me, then you have to be different and you have to start working hard.
In this traveling of dance, what was the most hard part of the traveling?
The only hard part about traveling is that it takes 24 hours to reach South America, Latin America. So you have to change a flight. It's too much of travel. But once you come here and then you get into dance, get into the workshop and the show, then you forget the tiredness that you get from traveling.
Wow, that's great. So I know you will have some workshops and many events. Could you tell to the people what they will learn on those workshops?
Okay, so my workshops usually comprises of Bollywood dance, of course, but in Bollywood I also do semi-classical, Kathak and folk. So this time also people will learn some Garba moves and they will learn some Kathak moves with Bollywood songs. So it's going to be quite a surprise workshop this time.
Yeah, because most of the people who come here to have workshops only teach Bollywood dance, but
Yes.
it will be different.
Yeah, that's how actually I made my own market because I learned Indian classical and I've learned folk. So I can use both in Bollywood. And Bollywood is not just one dance form, it's many dance forms. So even my Western training comes in Bollywood. In my choreography, you will see folk dances and classical dances. So it's not going to be only Bollywood dipping and little steps of Bollywood. It's going to be very technical also. So you're going to learn a variety in my workshop.
Yeah. Okay, Divek, we will make a game. We will play a game now. So I will tell you some words. You can tell to the people what a word comes to your mind when I say that kind of words and why. Okay? So we say the first word is dance.
Devotion, prayer to God.
Actress, Bollywood actress.
Deepika, of course.
Bollywood actor.
Prabhas from Bahubali.
Oh, that's good. Most of people will agree.
Yes.
And India.
Rich in culture and lot of population.
Bollywood.
Fun, energy.
Food.
Tandoori chicken.
And Peru.
Peru, Machu Picchu.
Wow, you will be in Machu Picchu?
Yes, I will be. And I'm so glad that because of the workshop, I can see one of the wonders of the world. And I'm just waiting to go there because Aishwarya also went there. So
for your father, I have some present for you in the name of the foundation called the Bollywood. I hope you use that. I know you like that also. Please, this is for you. Will you open to show the people what is that?
My favorite.
Yes.
Love.
I saw some videos and we saw that you like that. Wow, now you are Peruvian.
hairband.
I remove that. Thank you.
It's matching, it's going red and black.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much for mixing the beauty, babe. Welcome again.
Hello fans of El Rincon in Bollywood, this is Devesh from India, choreographer from India, and I want you to come for my event which is happening in Peru. Make sure that you like the video, you share, invite your friends to like this page more and increase the followers.